Hello everyone, my name is Katie and today we would like to give you a short tour around one of the most splendid campuses of InHSE, Pokrovka. Let's get started. Now we are in South Atrium, for which you can go to campuses G, D and K. In order to get to the corpus F, first of all, we have to go to the corpus G. Let's go.
That is the passage from which we can go to corpus F.
From this hall, you can get to building D or to building K. This is the main atrium from which you can go to buildings R, S, K, to canteens, and to the library. Walking out of the main atrium, we get to the building L, where you can find the canteen and the central library. Going out from the main atrium, we end up being between two buildings, R and S. Each floor has a passage for those two buildings. You can find working spaces in the building S on the first floor and in the building R on the third floor. There is one more working space in the central library. Here you can find the passage to Cultural Center through purposes T1 and T2. Our next step is to go up on the third floor. You can use either a staircase or an elevator. We are on the third floor and we are moving to the building T. Now we are on the third floor of the building and it's time to go downstairs. Finally, we reach Cultural Center. Here, a lot of meetings, events and concerts are held. That is the end of our tour. We are looking forward to having you in InHSE.